Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series, 100 Editing Tips in 100 Days. Today we're tackling a classic editing hiccup, the unintentional jump cut. This is tip number 15, and it's a game changer for making your videos feel smoother and more professional. So, what exactly is an unintentional jump cut? Imagine you're editing an interview. You have a single long take of someone speaking, and you need to remove a cough, a long pause, or a sentence where they stumbled over their words. You make the cut, delete the bad part, and push the clips together. Suddenly, the person's head magically teleports from one position to another. The background stays the same, but the subject jumps. It's jarring for the viewer and instantly breaks their immersion. It screams amateur, and we definitely want to avoid that. But don't worry, fixing this is easier than you think. The number one technique is to punch in or punch out. When you make a cut to remove a mistake, take the second clip and scale it up slightly. Frame it a bit tighter on the subject. This creates the illusion of a deliberate camera change, as if you switched to a close-up shot. It turns a jarring mistake into a stylistic choice that adds emphasis and visual variety. You can also do the opposite and scale out for a wider shot, but punching in is generally more effective for hiding these small cuts. Another fantastic technique is to use B-roll. B-roll is any supplemental footage you lay over your main shot. So when you cut out that awkward pause, instead of letting the subject jump, you cover the edit with a different shot. If they're talking about a product, show a close-up of the product. If they're telling a story, show a clip that illustrates what they're describing. The audio continues seamlessly underneath the B-roll, and the viewer never even knows a cut was made in the main footage. It not only hides the jump cut, but also makes your video far more engaging and visually interesting. A third method, which works great for more dynamic content, is using transitions. Now, I'm not talking about a crazy star wipe. A simple, quick cross-dissolve or a subtle motion graphic transition can smooth over the cut. This works best when there's a slight change in energy or topic. It signals to the viewer that a moment has passed, making the jump feel intentional rather than accidental. So, to recap, punch in on your subject, cover the cut with relevant B-roll, or use a subtle transition. By mastering these three techniques, you'll eliminate those awkward, unintentional jump cuts and elevate the quality of your editing instantly. Your videos will flow better, look more polished, and keep your audience captivated. That's it for tip number 15. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next 85 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.